Brian McComo here. I'd like to show you our dual monitor option that we offer on our CNC routers. And what this does is it's going to add this secondary monitor here. It gives you a place to view the data coming back from a couple of our other options, namely our real-time tool view, which is a camera mounted underneath the spindle, and our spindle data collection. And it's going to let you maintain visibility on all the important information, position, spindle speed, coming off of your main monitor. So as we can see here, we'll pull up our real-time tool view. And you can see here we're able to view the tooling that's in the spindle. Or if you'd like to see what's going on with your spindle in real time, this is the place to do it. Something to consider when you're looking at your next CNC purchase from Como Machine.